Hello everyone, I am Saideth and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video to do the 90 FPS Battlegrounds mobile gameplay test in the Poco M3 Pro device. Yes, I can actually play the 90 FPS friends, but you should use a GFX tool or maybe the config file. Only then you will be able to play 90 FPS in this Poco M3 Pro. But in this video, I'll try to show you the config file step-by-step methods how we can actually achieve this kind of 90 FPS in the Poco M3 Pro device. So by default, the phone supports only the 40 FPS, which is a smooth and ultra. You don't get the extreme option as well. That's one disadvantage with this Dimensity 700 processor. Even though the processor is really capable of performing, but still the phone doesn't, the update is not optimized for the Dimensity 700. That is the reason. Let me try to show you how you can actually apply the 90 FPS. So this is a config file which you need to copy. Try to download this config file directly from my Telegram group, which you can find. So just type in the Telegram SciTech Guru YT. You will get my Telegram channel where there are 5,000 followers. So you can directly download this file, which is a config file. So now after downloading, you need to paste in the PUBG. After going to data, as you can see, right, just follow my same steps. So how to paste, as you can see. So in this way, you can actually paste the config file inside the game. Now you'll be able to achieve this kind of 90 FPS config file without any kind of issue. Let me try to show you. So let's see friends, how will be the gameplay will be there. So Dimensity 700 processor, whether it can actually handle properly the game or not. That's what I'm going to exactly show in this video demonstration. So I'll try to do the team deathmatch and I'll try to do the classic match as well. So in this way, you should copy the config file directly into the Android data into the game. So now you'll be able to bypass and we'll be able to get the 90 FPS support. So one more quick thing, some users there did mention that if you try to use a config file, your account might get banned. So make sure to do testing on the normal account, not your own account. So right now we do have the 90 FPS. So right now I'm trying to use only just normal email only. This is not my regular account which I'm trying to play. So that is the reason I'm taking the risk. So in case if you want to try this kind of config files, so try to take the risk only on the normal account. Now this is a real-time floating window, so which you do get in by default with the phone. So now we'll be able to see the real-time statistics, how much the game actually, the FPS is. That is what I'm going to exactly show you in this video. So right now I'm getting no problem friends, 90 FPS is maintaining consistently. In the team deathmatch should not be any kind of issues in the team deathmatch. So let's see right now 89, 90 FPS. And next I'll try to do the bootcamp drop test as well. So bootcamp drop test I'll try to do, and then one match of this team deathmatch. So in this way we'll be able to figure out how much the phone actually getting in terms of the FPS. As you can see friends, right now I'm getting only 85 and 80, 87 no problem. So 85 and 80 it's kind of maintaining consistently without any kind of issues. Not a big deal. So 87 FPS, 87 not bad. So 88 FPS and 83, 80, 88, no problem. It's trying to maintain the consistency. So 86. So in the team deathmatch, we should not be seeing any kind of issues while playing the game in the team deathmatch. So maybe in the classic match, we might be able to see the difference. So 84 FPS. So the lowest I did see only the 84 during this time of testing. So 84 FPS and 88 FPS I'm trying to get during this time, no problem. As you can see, 84, 87. It's kind of maintaining really great. So 89 FPS I'm trying to get. So definitely friends, using the config file you should not have any kind of problem you playing the team deathmatch, but the problem comes while playing the classic match. So classic match, definitely there will be a lot of frame drops. That is what I am expecting. So right now 90 FPS, so it's maintaining really great consistency, no issues. So 87, 88 FPS I'm trying to get. So 90 FPS. So after this match I'll try to play the classic match. So just I'm trying to finish this kind of match. So now let's do the classic match FPS drop test. So I'll try to do the Pochinki drop test. Let's see how much FPS it can actually maintain in the classic match. So the thing is that even the Poco X3, so which is a Snapdragon 732G processor, it was unable to handle 90 FPS. So when I do that in the classic match, so most of the time it was close to 60 and 50 only. It did not handle really great. But let's see friends, dimensity 700 processor, whether this phone will be able to handle really good or not. That's what I'm going to check in this video. So that is the main reason why I'm trying to use. So till now I can see it's kind of not bad, but let's see when there's a drop test how much it can actually decrease. So right now as you can see friends, I'm going to drop exactly in the Pochinki and let's see how much FPS can it drop actually. That is what I'm going to exactly focus at this moment. So it's going to be really interesting friends to see. This is my first time doing this kind of 90 FPS config file test. And right now the FPS is what maintaining about 89, 87 not bad, 80, 76 it started to decrease as you can see. So 87, 76 it went up low up to 73 right now. I'm trying to see the what is the lowest score. So 79 not bad, 75, 73, 65, 59, 64 not bad, and it was able to maintain and it was able to come back again to 90, close to 90. Yes, so 55, 69, 79 as you can see it's kind of going down, but it's once we land I think we should be able to get that kind of support. Yes, now we are getting 88 and 85, no issues. As you can see 99 I'm getting exactly. As you can see friends, right now it was really it's very smooth. It's very smooth friends. Wow, that's fantastic playing in this phone. It's really very smooth. As you can see it's very smooth. I can actually feel a lot of difference. Wow, that's really great to play in the Poco M3 Pro. It was working ultimately friends. In the Poco X3 device, in the Poco X3 which is a Snapdragon 732G processor, it was unable to handle, it did not handle properly. But it was really great. Even the phone has got only I think 4GB RAM right now in this phone, but still it was able to perform really good, not bad at all. I did not expect the phone to be performing in this way, the Dimensity 700 processor, but still it was able to do its best. That's kind of good. So I can be back friends comparing the both phones, Snapdragon 732G and this phone, then I will be able to judge more. Then you can definitely understand what is happening between both devices. So thank you for watching this video, and right now I can see right now the FPS is coming down to 72, 79, 75, at this moment 69, not bad. So now it's kind of decreasing. So maybe when I'm inside the room then I saw highest, but when I'm trying to outside, now I'm seeing FPS is decreasing as you can see in this minute. So I'll try to compare side by side the Poco X3 and this phone, so then we will be able to judge it properly. So thank you for watching friends, and see you in the next video. Let's stay tuned for more updates. Bye.